Now, there is this one question I get asked a lot is that if you're not consuming dairy, then which milk are you consuming? Because you will want to have coffee or tea or hot chocolate or a smoothie or some shake, or just using them to make some desserts, or just like having it with your breakfast. So what are the options? So now get your fingers to count. One is soy milk, almond milk, cashew milk, pista milk, walnut milk, coconut milk, oats milk, rice milk, hemp milk, already 10 done, sesame milk, watermelon seeds milk, melon seeds milk, hazelnut milk, macadamia nuts milk, quinoa milk, ragi milk, pea milk, or just a mixed seeds milk. So how many did we count now? Yes, so I have so many options for drinking milk, and my favorite is actually pistachio milk. I love milking the pistachios. It's that nutty flavor which comes in the pista milk is I love it. Oh, and I forgot, there is peanuts milk also. Now you would say, where do we get these milk from? You get it at your home, yeah. And if you want to save yourself from the hassle, of course, there are options, in the market which you can buy. But I still prefer making it my home because I can, add in some dates or some salt or some or the other, like flavoring ingredients in my milk, and I like to enjoy my milk as it is. And my favorite is pistachio milk. I really love the texture and the flavor of the pista milk which comes in. So here is what you need to do. If you are milking almonds, cashews, walnuts, or pistas, or quinoa, or ragi, or flax seeds, or anything, you need to soak them first in water for 6 to 8 hours. And if you don't have time, you can soak in like boiling hot water for some time, maybe 10-20 minutes, and then just blend them with water, which is almost double the quantity of the almonds or cashews or something, and just strain it. Your milk is ready. And the easiest is coconut or oats. And I would prefer coconuts because oats is more like a grain. So, and coconut milk is more healthy. So, what I can just do is I can just chop some coconuts, put it in a blender, again the double the quantity, like one ratio coconut and two ratios water, and blend, and then you just strain it. And I would say that you do it again like one more time, that you blend it with some water and then you strain it again, and this is your coconut milk ready. Same goes with the peanuts also, and same goes with the watermelon seeds or the melon seeds or the mixed seeds, as I said. And what about rice milk? So you just need to take the boiled rice basically, and blend it with some water and strain it. So yes, I would prefer less of the rice and the oat milk, but yes, I love the pista milk as I already mentioned. What about soy milk? Yes, so soy milk is basically, again, you have to soak it. And for soy milk, you have to soak it in the water for 6 to 8 hours, and then in the morning just blend it, and your soy milk is ready. I hope I have answered your question, and you would also like to try out these 19 types of non dairy milks.